Hey traders, welcome back to a brand new video on the Brazil FX strategy. If you want to catch trades like this, and like this, you need to watch this video from the start to the end, because I'm going to be explaining to you the easiest strategy that you can apply to your trading system and be able to be profitable. Great news, guys, and this applies to beginner traders and intermediate traders. If you're new around here, make sure to subscribe and let's get started with this video. Traders, one key thing you need to first master is trading only one strategy, guys. I only trade one strategy, which is price action, and under price action I trade a concept called demand and supply. What is demand and supply? Anytime we have a zone in the market that causes an upside move to the upper side, that is called a demand zone. And anytime we have a zone that causes a downside move, that is called a supply zone, guys. As simple as that. So anytime I'm going to wait for price to come back into those zones, and I'm going to be taking trades off them. Traders, this is literally the easiest trading strategy that any beginner can master from the get to go and be able to make money, guys. Now let's jump onto the charts. So this is our 1 hour time frame. So guys, the first thing is, one of the ways I mark out demand is looking for consolidations in the market. So anytime when I see consolidation in the market, it means demand or supply. I'll give you an example. You see right here, this is a consolidation. You can see how price breaks out, pushes up with much momentum. That's why when price comes back here, it reacts off first before continuing to come back to the downside. But this is not my main part right here. So my main part is if I find consolidation in a zone that is causing an upside move. So this is an upside move right here. So this was my main point of interest right here. You can see, traders. So this was the consolidation right here. So this is how I drag it out and make sure to drag it to the future. Why do I drag it to the future? Because again, I'm not going to take my trade when price breaks out here. I won't take my trade when price ever comes back to that zone. You can see. So when even I zoom out and drag this price this side, you can see we had consolidation, not just on our current market price. You can see, traders, we also had consolidation in the past data. As you can see, this zone right here that is acting as our psychological zone, you can see, guys. So meaning if price comes back there, you see, meaning someone would have taken their trade here if they knew about consolidations, as you can see. But again, there's no need of you having fear of missing out. Obviously, opportunities are always going to come back in the markets. So now this is what we had. We had this consolidation again. We had price breakout, push back in here for more of like a retest, and then price shot back up, as you can see, guys. Though market has been quite slow. Now, before the market closed last week, I told my friend Yaga that price would come back to this zone. I didn't know when, but I told him I know price will definitely ever come back here, as you can see, guys. So price was currently trading above this zone right here. So it was moving down. So I saw it move with this candle right here. Then again, we saw price push back up with momentum like this. But again, this is always to trap traders, thinking that price is going back up, yet it's not even going back up, as you can see, guys. So meaning, whoever took their buy trades above here, just because of seeing momentum, they lost money, because as you can see, guys. So whoever was buying right here, they lost so much money, as you can see, guys. So but for me, I told my friend that I know price will come back here, and this is the confidence that I always keep when I'm trading. If price doesn't come back to my zone, I don't trade. That is one thing I stick to. So price eventually came back to this zone today morning, as you can see, guys. Now you need to always look out for market sessions. So the first market session that made price come back down here, this one here, this was the Asian session, as you can see. Then when we entered into the London session, this was the London session right here, as you can see. This is my 10 a.m. candle. Price shot down with really much momentum. As obviously, you know, whenever we have a new week opening, we need to see this reaction when a certain market opens. Then we had the 11 a.m. candle pull back with really nice momentum, and it gave me more of this hammer candle. So a hammer candle is a reversal candle to the upper side. It tells us that, okay, for some reason sellers had momentum, they took price down, as you can see. Even we have a wick on this candle, but for another reason, buyers gained the upper hand and took prices up to give us this reversal candle, as you can see, guys. So now that is one thing I look out for, reversal candles. And why is this all happening at a reversal point? And this is not just a reversal point, but this is also my demand zone. Because remember, we said a demand zone is always a zone that causes an upside move So meaning if prices ever come back there, we shall see a push to the upper side. You can see. So I took my trade on this other candle right here. So for my confirmation, I was looking out for the hammer that you just saw, but even on my small time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame, you can see, guys, we had more of an engulfing candle right here. We had more of an engulfing candle, and again the other candle right here, we had another hammer even on my 15-minute time frame, guys. That's why I took my trade on this one candle right here, this one right here. So I set my target just like this, putting my stop, my take profit, putting my take profit up here, which was around 50 pips, and then just like that, and then my stop loss was just 20 pips. As you can see, guys, this is how I took my trade. So now let's zoom into the 1 hour time frame so you can see that clearly. So you can see that it was very perfect. You can see I took my trade immediately after the hammer candle appeared. Traders, you need to master all the candlestick patterns on your fingertips, because candlestick patterns can be of importance whenever you're having your entries in the forex market. You see, traders. So key things that you need to master: patience. If you don't have patience in this forex market, you can never trade, because you're going to be caught up with FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out, traders. Because I know most traders were trapped here when they saw this really much momentum, but I didn't have a reason for me to buy here. You can see, guys, I always need to have a reason. Why am I buying? So I had a reason. I'm buying exactly at my demand zone, and you can even see price is now shooting up with more momentum. You can see here, this was a fake out, no fake out here. Momentum is building up. So guys, as you can see, now price is pushing back to the upper side with much momentum. You can see momentum is just growing. Price is moving up aggressively. You can see these are one of the setups that I love to trade. You know, price just keeps on going up. Not things like this where you're only going to target 20 pips and then you're out of the market, guys. You know, and traders, you don't need 100 pips to be rich in the forex market. 50 pips plus a good lot size, know how much you are risking, and that's all you need, traders. You know, I know most people have really a problem with psychology, but one of the easiest ways you can improve your psychology: have a good strategy. A good strategy is always going to give you the confidence you need in from the forex market. But if you don't have a good strategy, it means even your psychology will be bad, because good psychology is backed up by a good strategy. You know, it's just a matter of time. Then you start seeing money in the forex market, as long as you stick to that strategy, guys. Me, I trade demand and supply. I will never leave demand and supply, because it's easy, very easy. In a month, I can trade around 3-4 setups for demand and supply, and I'm making whatever money that I want, because it's easy. This is literally even a cheat code to know, traders. You know, for anyone that is using signals, this is my advice to you: learn how to trade. If you want to learn this whole thing by yourself, guys, you know, put in time and backtest in the markets. Forex will always give you what you give it. If you think you're going to come in here and then try and gamble around, it's not the market for you, guys. So guys, that was it for today. Remember, the broker that I'm using is FXView, one of the most fast executing brokers out there. Make sure to use the link below this video to get your FXView accounts, guys. Yeah, remember, we need to trade with only regulated brokers. FXView is regulated in 3 countries to make sure that your money is safe, guys. I'll see you in my next, guys. Peace and love. Never stop trading.